Bob here at Welding Rust. Well, it's a new day with new chipper problems. We're hoping to solve them this time around. Stick around. Now that you see it all disassembled, give you a better idea how this thing actually works. That's the cutting head. I had to machine a block for a bearing that I had lying around. This is made out of scrap, flathead screws. And I got nuts in behind, and that way I can use a different type of head if this doesn't work out too good. Oh yeah, those are bolt heads, and I went with bolts instead of the split pin because it's a lot easier to swap it out if I need to take it apart. And this is kind of important. This plate in here, okay, it's actually this one that's actually, if I can show you underneath, yeah, bolted on and with slots because this has to sit close to that. It's like a pair of scissors. It's got to be able to slice and chop. All right. Hopefully you can see the fitment issues we've been having. This thing interfering with this. The other issue we got is this doesn't want to sit right either. Probably because this plastic piece is just a little bit proud. So while I'm here, I think I'm just going to cut this bit of plastic out. If I screw this up, I'll keep the plastic, and there's a thing called plastic welding. We'll just put it back together if we have to. All right, let's get this thing apart. That's the little bolt I gotta get out. So, let's have a look and see what we gotta cut. There. There. Sorry, there. Outside.
You should notice there's a slug in the bore, and where I'm drilling right now is on the line between the actual bore of the part and the slug. And what I'm trying to do is drill a half a hole in each. It'll make more sense a little bit later, because what we're going to do is we're actually going to file a keyway that we're going to need.
Now that the hard parts are done, we got to make the soft part in between. My brother donated a chunk of rubber. It's 1/4 inch thick, which is just about right. So now what we got to do is make a part that, make this part so it fits here and fits the mating part. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to start with the hole sawed out, and then lay out and punch the rest of the holes in after that. Just like cutting rubber. Figure this should work a little bit quicker. Oh yeah, look at that. Nothing there. Look at that. Easy, easy.
We're back with reassembly. One of the things we did is put this little screw back in again because I'll need it for aligning everything up. It doesn't fit in tight, so the worst that can happen is if this completely failed, the stops would hit the stops, so it could snap the screw off. That's the worst thing that could possibly happen, is all the pins, everything just shatters and snaps the screw off and everything stops. Yeah, what worse than that could go wrong? Anyways, let's get this thing together.
Have a good day, everyone.